What's up, everyone? XA23 here, and I'm back with this another video. Alright, guys. Last night we had a women's bout between Rose Namajunas and Erin Blanchfield. And like I said, man, I was very sad that Rose lost this fight because I believe that she was actually winning the fight. She was winning the first two rounds easily. And then, like I said, she faded after the second round, and then Erin Blanchfield capitalized by winning with the pressure, by winning rounds 3, 4, and 5. And like I said, man, this has to be said because a lot of people won't bring this up, but I'm gonna bring this up, and I'm gonna say that Rose will never be world champion again in the UFC until she makes a decision to cut Pat Barry, because ever since she had splitted from Trevor Woodman, you can clearly see the decline in Rose Namajunas. Like I said, her cardio has gotten worse. I mean, her striking looks good, but then after she faded, her striking just looks bad, and then she just wilted under pressure. It looks like she just gives up. And like I said, when you listen to Pat Barry give Rose some advice, he doesn't know what he's doing, to help Rose correct her mistakes in the fight. Where with Trevor Whitman, he would give her the honest truth. He say, "Hey, you're not doing what we practice in training. You know what I mean? You need to implement that stuff that we learned in training. You need to use it now to win the fight." Where Pat Barry, he would just tell Rose, "You see all these people booing you? You see all these people's booing you? You know what I mean? That's not really helping Rose, correct her mistakes in the fight, versus Trevor Whitman." And like I said, I said that, like I said, Rose was better under Trevor Whitman because, like I said, Trevor Whitman, not once but twice, he helped Rose became champion. And like I said, taking away somebody who helped you became champion not once or twice is a big mistake. And then you replace them with somebody that you love, it just never works out, man. And like I said, man, Rose, she's not gonna be world champion ever. Um, even if she goes back up to, even if she goes back to up to strawweight, and she wins a couple fight and she fights John Belay. Um, I still think that John Belay will now beat Rose. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, Rose does not have the Trevor Whitman, the one that who helped her beat John Belay not once but twice. Because, like I said, with Pat Barry, Rose has declined a lot, and you can clearly see it. And like I said, it's sad. You know, I once a good fighter, that who risen to the top has you know, lost everything because she wanted to replace her head trainer with somebody she loves the most, and it just never works out when stuff like this happens, man. And yeah, it sucks. But once again, congratulates to Erin Blanchfield. She called out Alexa Grasso. To be honest, though, I am not really all that, you know, going crazy for that called out because Erin Blanchfield sees Grasso as a easier path back to the title because we all know Grasso really does not have a ground game and her takedown defense is really bad. It's really bad. But if Grasso, if she's smart and she learns how to work on her takedown defense and she could neutralize Erin Blanchfield's wrestling and keep the fight on the feet, I can see Grasso winning that fight. Because I've been hearing a lot of people saying that Erin Blanchfield's wrestling has, Erin Blanchfield's striking has gotten better. I really disagree with that. Blanchfield still keeps her head in the center line and she doesn't move it a lot, and her striking is just not that good. And I still, if they were to make that fight, I see Grasso probably stopping, you know, Aaron Blanchfield. But yeah, man, this is a really sad loss to Rose Namajunas. I hope that in 2025 that she makes the right decision, you know, to at least try to get back to the person that actually made her, the fighter that we all love and know, the one who won the belt not once but twice. I think I said enough in this video. You guys have yourself a good night. Stay tuned to the channel. More's coming. Other than that, I am out.
How many times I don't rise? How many times I go rise to my feet? How many times I don't quit?